Morning everyone. We're here at the Jenkins house. That's obviously where we're staying, and it's like the halfway house for all these drifters. Hey Charlie, hey buddy. So Troy's here. Where is he? Morning bro.
Morning mate.
Hampton Downs, and this place is freaking incredible. Look at, like, you can have like apartments. I think people actually own these and they just live there, and this is like obviously the main street. It's freaking nuts. All the Jenkins crews all set up. The guys have got a solid operation here. Heaps of mates that help them out. Sick. You got Gaz Wider, Fanger, he's brought both cars this weekend. Man, this thing's nuts. I really want to show you guys under the bonnet. He's got this crazy, like, equal length exhaust manifold setup, but we can have a look at that later. Haha! Hell, last minute repairs going on here, buddy. How you going? Good. Here with Bruce. Look at this thing. That's an engine. Hell. God damn. Any changes this year, mate? Actually, it's still the same year, isn't it? I mean, yeah. This event.
We chucked a new Elwood parts in on it, just slightly different, slightly bigger. Turbo's the same.
Oh, you're still running the 6 throttles though, aren't you?
Individual throttle bodies.
Yeah, nice.
And then we just tickled it up, put a slightly bit of fuel in it.
Oh, nice.
But maxed the turbo out now, so that's all the power we're going to make.
Yeah, is that a 9174?
8374.
Oh, yeah, right. Nice.
We might look at that new 8474 they've released.
Yeah.
Similar response, but
yep. You still rocking a G-Force? Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, nice.
Never let you down.
Nah, they never do, man. They never do. I've always liked this car, eh? It's got a soft spot for it, that's for sure. So, what, you still using GTR rear end? Or has it got a Winters?
We've got drive shaft, shop axles, and the GTR at the moment. We've got a Winters waiting to go in it. So.
Yeah. I think I might have to, if it's cool with you, I'll chuck a camera on later.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah, sick. This thing sounds wild.
Have you got your helmet?
I don't have harms on it.
You'll be able to borrow one.
Yeah.
Come for a blat later.
Hey?
Come for a blat later.
You sure?
Well, just borrow a harness with someone.
Alright. That'd be friggin' nuts. How you going, man? Jake.
Jaden.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Yeah, so this is one of the cars I really wanted to film this weekend. You guys are gonna freaking love it when I do. Thanks, Bruce. I'll be back. Here's Carl's Beast. You guys remember this from World Time Attack? This thing's pretty nuts. We'll go for a quick stroll down before I got to go see Mike and Tony about what's happening today. But yeah, it's pretty exciting. Oh, look at all these dudes. Oh, I think you can change that now, Mikey. 2018 champion. Yep. Not bad. Wall of Fame. Oh, I gotta go find Tony and Mike and see what's going on with the judging. Man, there's some sick cars here. Oh, now that's an engine. Woo! God, I love this thing.
Shortly, if you want to start making your way to Phoenix.
Man, that gear shifter does not look comfy. This thing is so sick. I can't wait to show you guys. Yeah. So this is a layout for this weekend. It's a track I've never run before here, but yeah, it's pretty exciting. Obviously entry, inner clip, outer clip, outer clip, inner clip, and then there's like another one here right in front of where we're sitting. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Alright guys, so we did another briefing just to give the guys a heads up on like how the layout should be done. So Mike did all that, and yeah, I think the guys are really struggling with the first corner, but they're just gonna go a lot deeper and then come back into that inner clip. So we'll see how they go with this one, but we pretty much got qualifying coming up after this, so I don't really have a chance to put cameras on cars or anything. I kind of got to work, so I'm sorry, but I'll try and get footage after the judging, and yeah, I think you guys have got full track stuff so they can just run amok, but for now I'm just going to get to work, so hope you guys don't mind. Alright. Like, don't even worry about it. Judging's done. Good work, team. So I was walking along and just happened to run into this dude. I don't know if you guys know him.
I'm so lost. I don't even know where I am right now. I just ended up on this island.
If any of you guys know who it is, you should probably write in the comments, because he won't tell me who he is, but
just a dude. I'm just cruising. Just cruising.
Yeah, I got one real bad complaint for you two. You need to change them limiters. Oh man, I can't handle them.
Oh yeah, that must have been in here. Woohoo! We're going in Brucey's car! Yeah boy! Look who's behind us as well! Oh man, this is gonna be sick. Yeah, Brucey. Yeah, thanks for that, Bruce. 2 laps, and I wasn't even leaning on it that hard. Are they Zestinos? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. But it just has so much drive, you know. Hope you guys enjoyed that.